How to start making a breast icon. You will learn to start making a 32 by 32 pixel breast icon in Microsoft Excel, using modifiable trigonometric formulas and variables so that your breast curve comes out just the way you think it should be. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and these icons may help get the message across. Steps. Part 1 Preparation. 1. Open a new Excel workbook and prepare 2 worksheets. Either click on the green the 10th icon, or double-click on Excel in the Microsoft Office folder in your Applications folder by opening a Finder window, in order to start Excel. Using the File menu or the icon, open a new workbook. Save the workbook as breast icons into a logical folder, such as WikiHow articles or MS Excel imagery. Create via the plus button at the bottom or access the second worksheet tab and double-click Edit, name it Saves. This will be used to paste values and charts to which you wish to keep and remember, while still having the top worksheet tab for doing the main work on. If you were to copy and paste, the formula results would change with varying inputs on the top worksheet from the defined named variables, which are global. Double-click on the first leftmost worksheet tab and edit, name it Formulas, WO quotes. 2. Set preferences. Be mindful that these settings will affect your future Excel work. General, set show this number of recent documents to 15, set sheets in new workbook to 3, this editor works with body font, in a font size of 12, set your preferred file path, location. View, check show formula bar by default, check indicators only, and comments on hover for comments, show all for objects, show row and column headings, show outline symbols, show zero values, show horizontal scroll bar, show vertical scroll bar, show sheet tabs. Edit, check all, display 0 number of decimal places, set interpret as 21st century for 2-digit years before 30, uncheck automatically convert date system. Autocorrect, check all. Chart, in chart screen tips, check show chart names on hover, and check show data marker values on hover, leave the rest unchecked. Calculation, automatically checked, limit iteration to 100 maximum iterations with a maximum change of 0.0001, unless goal-seeking, then 0.000000000001, O spaces, check save external link values. Error checking, check all and this editor uses dark green or red to flag errors. Save, check all, set to 5 minutes. Compatibility, check documents for compatibility. Ribbon, all checked, except hide group titles is unchecked. Part 2 The tutorial. 1. Enter the column headers. Enter to cell A1, A. Enter to cell B1, B. Enter to cell C1, C_C. Enter to cell D1, D. Enter to cell E1, var, for variable. Enter to cell F1, crying face. Enter to cell G1, ADJ_X. Enter to cell H1, ADJ_Y. Enter to cell I1, formula X. Enter to cell G, formula Y. 2. Define the named variables. Select columns A, H and do menu item insert name create name top row, OK. Then go to cell E2 and insert name define name var, to cell $E$2 only, not the entire column. 3. Enter the formulas. Enter to cell A2, 3. Enter to cell B2, 1. Enter to cell C2, 3. Enter to cell D2, 0.15 and format cell number decimal places 2. Enter to cell A3 equals A2. Enter to cell B3 equals B2. Enter to cell C3 equals C2. Enter to cell D3 equals D2. Edit go to cell range A3, D22 and do menu item edit fill down. Enter to cell E2, 190. Enter to cell F2, 0. Enter to cell F3 the formula, equals 2 * pi, var. Enter to cell F for the formula, equals 2 * pi, var plus F3. Edit go to cell range F4, F22 and do menu item edit fill down. Enter to cell G2, 0.2. Enter to cell H2, 0.005, ADJ_X and ADJ_Y. Move the entire curve left, right, up, down with respect to the central point of plot area facial fill, which is from the center of the areola or nipple area. However, the box that the chart appear in may also be stretched, to gain other or similar effects. Enter to cell I2 the formula, sad face D asterisk, A, B, asterisk cos, crying face, plus cos, C underscore C asterisk, A, B, asterisk crying face B, plus ADJ underscore X. This is an offshoot of the rose formula it's believed at present. Enter to cell J2 the formula, sad face D asterisk, A, B, asterisk sin, crying face, sin, C underscore C asterisk, A, B, asterisk crying face B, plus ADJ underscore Y. Likewise. Part 3 chart the basic curve. 1. Select cell range I22, J22 and do insert chart or select chart from the ribbon, all, scatter, smooth line scatter. 2. Delete the horizontal lines, both axes and the legend using the chart layout sub-menu. Hashtag resize the chart to be about 5.33 width and 5.18 height. This is the basic breast curve. Part 4 additional formatting. 1. Use line width, thinner, shadow, very little in these examples, glow, substituted for shadow, radial centered gradients with 4-6 markers of distinct colors, etc. To achieve some of the effects seen here, by order of development elongated per ADJX and ADJY. Part 5 convert to 32 by 32 pixel size icon file. 1. Do it this way on the Mac platform. Create the Excel chart. Do a copy and paste picture of it to your saves page, along with any variables info you wish to retain that you'd changed from its normal status, especially including the ADJ_X and ADJ_Y information which can not only place the curve but also distort it. Use the Media Box tool to draw a perfect square around the part of the image you wish to keep as an icon. Use the Grab tool to grab a screen selection just inside the edges of the Media Tools box. Copy it to the clipboard and open Preview. In Preview, under File, select New from Clipboard. Under Tools, select Adjust Size, and set the square to 32 by 32. Export the file to your Icons folder or New Icons sub-folder. You may choose to revert the changes to the original Preview doc and keep it unshrunken upon close and quit from Preview. For you, here is the small actual file of icons and the larger, more visible version. 2. Lastly, view the sort of message you can make by working on such icons of tenderness and loves for our mothers, sisters and daughters.